Look at the size.
Hey, that's my fish.
Yeah, that's alright. Okay, chuck it in. Chuck it in.
Oh my god, monster. Grab a net.
Just get it in.
Always when I have a fish on, I don't know.
Not a caddy. Seriously.
Yeah, you gotta be serious. Oh, I hooked up now. Might be gone now. No, keep running, it's gone. It's a little bird. Declan, it doesn't matter. Declan, you can put him back.
Get it up.
And this is when the big fish hit.
Oh!
Get it up.
I don't even...
Do you want me to take over?
Yeah!
Come on, go.
Why do I feel like you have a shark?
Oh!
Oh my god, what is that?
It's a shovel nose. Calm down.
Yeah, give us the net.
Oh my goodness.
It was a metre-long shovel-nosed shark. Luckily, I had the drag done really light so it didn't get away from snapping the line. Thanks for watching the video. If you want, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.